In this video, I will show you how to fix character AI export data not working. So first of all, check your Wi-Fi connection, make sure that it's stable and it's working properly. Secondly, you can simply click and hold on to the C.AI icon, then click on this app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here you will find clear cache, simply click on it. After that, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for character AI. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. Now the next thing is, if you have any ad blockers, VPN, proxy or anything turned on, simply turn those extensions or those apps off. And lastly, make sure that you're checking the correct email account for your new emails. And you can also open up your email, click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top left corner. From here, go to spam and check if there are any emails here. And sometimes there is large chat histories, so it will take some time for them to export it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.